What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have the CUKTECH power bank. This power bank is totally different than any other power banks that I have ever used. This one is a 40,000 mAh power bank. Wow, should I say ludicrous or massive or humongous? I'm not sure. This one is something more than that. Maximum 300 watt output, up to 5 devices. Yeah, there are 4 ports, and you can see I've been using this power bank for the past couple of days and I'm super happy with the power bank. I'm actually always using this power bank, and this power bank is a part of my tech life. Well, as you can see, there are 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports. So how can this one offer output to 5 devices? Because this one comes with a Qi wireless charger on top, and this Qi wireless charger is a very fast one. This one can go up to 20 watt. Wow, that's cool. Well, one of these 2 charging ports actually supports hypercharge charging protocol, which is compatible with Xiaomi devices. This one supports almost all the different charging protocols from different devices and offers very fast charging speed. Well, this USB-A port can deliver up to 120 watt. One of these 2 USB-C ports, this one can deliver up to 140 watt charging speed. The other one can go up to 100 watt. And the final one, the USB-A port with white accent inside, can deliver up to 20 watt charging speed. Now, I know the first thing you'd be thinking, a 40,000 mAh power bank. Wow, that should be a very heavy one. And the second thing is, how long does it take to get fully charged? The power bank itself. It's a very light one, and look at this, it's a tiny little one. It can sit on my palm without any issue. This one is definitely one of the lightest power banks that I have ever used. I even have some 20,000 mAh power banks which actually weighs more than this one. Now here comes the answer to the second question. For some people this may be the very important question, or maybe the very important thing, that how long will it take to get fully recharged? Well, this one supports 140 watt charging speed. Can you imagine that? That means this one gets fully charged even faster than many smartphones or many laptops which comes with very fast charging speed. This one gets charged pretty fast, and yeah, I felt like this is super fast. Well, the CUKTECH P Plus series power bank actually comes with 140 watt bidirectional fast charging. Okay, this one offers a very fast charging speed. This one can deliver up to 300 watt maximum output. But what about compatibility? Can this one recharge everything or only a few things? This one can recharge almost everything, from smartphones to laptops, from earbuds to smartwatches, or from everything to everything, which actually is compatible with USB-C charging. That's it. And well, if you are worried about charging speed like earbuds, smart bands, and some other low current devices which doesn't accept higher wattage, then what would happen to those devices? Will those devices get damaged? No. Look at this. Just press twice on this button and this power bank goes to low current mode. That means we can use this one with any devices. Well, after I've got this one, I was super excited, so I couldn't wait to record the unboxing video. I have just unwrapped it and started to use this one. But let me show you what things I've got inside the box. Well, here is the box. This one comes in a very nice packaging, and on this box, CUKTECH actually has printed all the specifications and all the necessary information. Well, inside the box, I have got this power bank, a very nice user manual, and a super premium quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable. That's it. Okay, before we move forward, before we talk about all the aspects of this power bank, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, at the beginning, let me be very clear. This power bank is built with very good premium quality materials, and this brand CUKTECH, yeah, it's a bit of a difficult thing for me to pronounce, CUKTECH, but they have done something amazing. They have designed this product with precision. Look at this, they have used different colors. There are actually 4 different color tones like black, silver, gray, and yeah, something in between. But the build quality is so very awesome. Even all the cutouts are so very smooth that when I rub on this, I don't feel like there is any gap. Kudos to CUKTech. Another thing is the cutouts. Look at this. These are actually air vents. These cutouts actually helps this power bank to dissipate heat faster and more efficiently. There is a PWM fan at the back, at the rear panel, and this PWM fan actually have variable RPM. Whenever it requires, it can rotate very fast, and when it's not required, this one can decrease the rotation speed. At the bottom, there is a very nice super quality silicone pad, so on any flat surface, it sits firmly and it sits tight. Talking about design language and cutouts, look at this. The Qi wireless charging pad on top, actually they have made it so very amazing. It has its own outlook and appearance. It feels like semi-transparent with some futuristic tech design, and wow, check this. They have even added some silicone pads on this. So when we are gonna put our smartphone or any device on this surface, the device won't actually have direct connection and won't get scratched. Any smartphone will firmly sit on this Qi wireless charging spot due to the silicone pads. Great thinking, great innovation. Okay, before we talk about this big display panel, well, there is a button in front. This is actually a multifunction button. We can power it on, power it off, and as I mentioned earlier, we can use this button to enable low current mode. Just quickly press twice and this one will go to low current mode. I'm not sure whether I can actually cover all the features and everything because this one is super packed with a lot of features. We can even use this power bank as a hub. When it's connected to a laptop, we can actually use the USB ports to connect many other accessories and recharge those accessories or access to some data. Like we can connect this one with a laptop and then we can connect a mouse, a keyboard, maybe a USB drive or even a hard drive, SSD drive. And then we will be able to use this one as a hub. Can you see this? It clearly reads HUB hub. Finally, let's talk about this display panel. Okay, at the center, this one shows percentage of battery capacity. There is a power indicator ring. On both sides, we can check input power, output power. There is an icon for hub. And if there is any issue, there will be a fault icon on the left side. And at the center, if you are using the Qi wireless charging port on top, there will be an icon, Qi wireless charging icon over here. In this channel, Hans Tech Talk, we just don't talk about the features and then it's okay, it's a good product. We do the actual testing. So let's do some testing. Let's check how is the performance. Okay, I have connected this CUKTech P Plus series power bank to my 16-inch MacBook Pro M1 Pro. Let's check. Wow, it's doing well. My MacBook Pro M1 Pro is like 65% charged and this one is offering more than 70 watt output to my MacBook Pro M1 Pro. So this one is doing well and look at this one is pretty stable. Now it's time to add more devices. I'm gonna add my Xiaomi 13 Ultra. This one supports hypercharge charging protocol. Look at this, 90 watt max. Cool. Now I'm gonna add more devices. Well, I have already added 3 devices and you can see clearly this one slowly increases the output power. You may have been thinking, why is that? Is that good? Is that bad? That's good. Now, when this CUKTech P Plus series power bank is recharging 3 of my pretty expensive devices, let me share something with you. The CUKTech P Plus series power bank comes with different type of battery cells inside. This power bank is equipped with 8 21700 dynamic batteries and those battery cells are nothing like other ordinary battery cells. So this one actually offers better performance. Now, as I've always mentioned in all of my power bank or power station review videos, that I always use very expensive gadgets like my MacBook Pro M1 Pro is a spec'd out edition. I use a iPhone 14 Pro Max, a spec'd out one. I always use very expensive gadgets like my earbuds. This one costs some way more than many other usual flagship earbuds. So I'm always worried about the protection of these devices. I'm very happy to see this CUKTECH P Plus series power bank comes with a lot of safety measurements. This one has over temperature protection, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, and this one has hardware level battery overcurrent and short circuit protection. Not only that, this one actually knows how to protect itself. This one has input overcharge protection, input overcurrent protection, input over voltage protection, and many other protections along with short circuit and reset protection. So that's why I've been using this one, and I've already recommended this to my girlfriend and some of my friends and families, because this one not only offers a very fast charging speed, this one not only gets refueled very fast, this one also gives me peace of mind. Well, it's time to increase the load. I have added a fourth device. Okay, from the sound, you know, my iPhone 14 Pro Max has started to getting recharged. Okay, now you can see this one is fully loaded. All the 5 ports are in use, but what about temperature? Is there any fan noise? Let's check. That's it. This one doesn't even make very heavy fan noise. Yeah, the fan is rotating in a very high speed, but the fan doesn't make any big noise. Cool. This brand actually has made me feel super happy. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one in this state and I'm gonna have some coffee. So I'll be back in 10 or 15, maybe 20 minutes. Let's see how is the performance. Okay, as you can see, I have given it enough load, and even after a lot of load, the thing is this one actually didn't even generate any heat. Even if it has generated any heat, this one has dissipated heat very efficiently. Kudos to CUKTECH. Now it's time to check how fast this one can get recharged. Well, to recharge this CUKTECH P Plus series 40,000 mAh power bank, I'm gonna use a 140 watt charger to make sure that I'm offering enough power to this one. Well, it's time for verdict, and the truth is I'm in love with this CUKTECH P Plus power bank. Yeah, period. That's the end of the story. This one offers a very good value for money. This one performs like a beast, and this one comes with a lot of safety measurement. What else would you require from a power bank? 40,000 mAh, and look at the size. Check the weight, check the speed. I don't think there is any other power bank which is even able to compete with this one. I have left a link of this product in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check the product. But before that, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.